This is Abdi Salam Tor, CSC 110 Winter 2019 Wellman. This is Q5 of the homework, looking at the two different spirals. Define spiral SZ, SC sounds for size. For loop for ion range 103, it's a big number. I chose 100 initially, but the line wasn't in the correct place, so I moved it 103. Size equals size plus 5. This makes it so that for every time size goes into the for loop, it increases by 5. So if I had a size of 20, it'd be 20 plus 5 equals the new size. New size plus 5 equals the newest size. T dot left 270. 270 would make it go down. Yeah, go down. T dot forward size. You want to move size plus 5 for everyone. And T dot right 90. It's out of the for loop. So once you've finished making the box of loops or maze, you make it so that the line or the arrow points towards the correct direction. Spiral 20. 20 is your size. There you go. For the second spiral, this one was more difficult. Define spiral 1, size, S equals size. For n in range 103, same number. It was easier that way. T dot right 90 minus n to the power of 0.005. You want your n or your angle to decrease for every range, and you kind of see it right here. It gets smaller. T dot forward size times n times 0.2. This makes it so your length of the square gets larger, but not too large. That's why I kept it at 0.2. T dot right 90, similar thing to the first one, makes it so that it points the correct direction. Spiral 20, 20 is the size. This is what you get.